Hi guys! Welcome back for another video. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make two no-glue slime recipes. We're gonna be making Play-Doh slime and cornstarch shampoo slime. Let's make it! Let's start off with Play-Doh slime. For this slime, you'll need Play-Doh, and lotion. This is optional, but you can use a bowl just to make it not messy. Let's make it. So, first thing you'll need to do is put the Play-Doh in the bowl. Then add some lotion. And knead it with your hands. So after a little bit of kneading, it got softer, but it's not very stretchy. And I think it's because I need more lotion, but this bottle is empty. But I feel like this will work if you add more lotion to it. But it's a pretty good texture, so this was a successful slime recipe. Let's move on to the next one. So this is my second no-glue slime recipe. This is called cornstarch shampoo slime. So for this slime, you'll need cornstarch, shampoo or conditioner, a mixing bowl, and a mixing tool. So first thing you'll need to do is add cornstarch to the bowl. I guess it doesn't really matter how much you add. And add your shampoo or conditioner and give it a nice stir. A little bit more. If your mixture is too dry, add more shampoo. But if your mixture is too wet, add more cornstarch. It's too wet, then add in more cornstarch. It's probably too much. Just keep mixing it up until you feel the slime coming together. So it did form a little bit of slime, but it's pretty hard. So I'm gonna add in more of my shampoo. And after adding a little bit of my shampoo, it got softer and stretchier. Oops.
This one's pretty good slime. It's so soft and stretchy. So I give this one a thumbs up. It's a successful slime recipe.